Menu for today is pinakbet. So we need okra, sitaw, ampalaya, talong, garlic, onion, tomato, a little bit of ginger, ginisang bagoong, saute shrimp paste, some wonga. I prepared that one. And black pepper. We need a bit oil and we need water. Put the lady's fingers into two, or okra. Ampalaya or bitter melon, soak it in the water with salt. Got the long string beans, sitaw, and our eggplant or talong. We will cut it when it's ready to put in the pan because it will change color. Add the garlic, onion, add a bit of ginger, add the tomato. I don't have squash or calabasa, so you add the sitaw now or long string beans. Add the bagoong and we will let it boil for 10 minutes. We add water. I'm not going to put any meat. Add black pepper, ground black pepper, and cover it for a few minutes. It's boiling, so we need to add all the vegetables. Drain your bitter melon or ampalaya. Put them all together. And add more bagoong if you want. It depends how you want it to boil, and after a few minutes it's cooked. Pinakbet is ready in Elenita's Cucina. Pinakbet is ready to serve in Elenita's Cucina. It's beautiful with rice.